Okay, imagine this. You wake up to unobstructed views of the Mission Hills, no other homes looking in, just wide open skies. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this place makes it real. This isn't just any home. It was actually the last model home sold in this community, built in 2016 and sold in 2018. So you're getting all those model level upgrades baked right in. We are talking plantation shutters, high-end tile flooring in the living room, luxury backsplash details in every bathroom. Even the curtains in the living and primary bedroom, they stay. It's all those little touches that make it feel special. And then these views. Honestly, it feels more like a single family home because you don't see any other row of townhomes out of your window. Just light, air, and space. Plus, it's sunlit all day long. Morning light in your living room and primary suite, golden hour sunset from the kitchen and the bedrooms. Every room feels happy. And let's be real, commuting matters. You've got straight access to Mission Road, Highway 92, 880 and BART. Whether it is San Francisco or Silicon Valley, and when you don't feel like cooking, Starbucks, Chipotle, Sprouts, Curry Pizza House, even In-N-Out, they are literally right around the corner. So yeah, if you've been looking for a home that's bright, stylish, and ridiculously convenient, this one's hard to beat. Come see it before it's gone.